Rivadulya gives it to Reonal. Ivan with a ward-off, and that's a clear offensive foul whistle. So both teams starting off their second half with turnovers. Let's take a look at this once again. Oh, clearly may hawi gamit ng kanang kamay. Etong si Reonal. Singke gives it to De La Cruz. Francis swings it to Manalang. Guarded na from the three-point line. Good drop pass, extra pass. Beautiful tic-tac-toe passing for Level Up Lubao. And John Zita with his 7th point off the bench for Level Up Lubao in this game. Cunanan was 0 for 4 in back-to-back turnovers para dito sa Bayung Mexico. An illegal pick whistle on Nomer Pascual. That's gonna be his 3rd personal foul of the ball game. Nakakapanibago yung boses ng barker natin, ah. Nagulat ako. It's favorite barker pala namin, si Marnet T, ang nagbabarker. Na hindi lang pala po sa laro ng basketball dito sa Delta Cup ang special. Siyempre, pati rin yung mga surprises galing sa mga staff. As Delfino denied right there. CJ got clobbered in midair. Rivadulya stops. Short nga lang yung layup. There's a duty foul whistled on Cunanan. John Del Boy Cunanan still scoreless in this ball game. 0 for 4 from the field. Itong prize point guard of Mexico. That'll be his 1st personal foul. As yan na ang ating paboritong barker. Female barker dito. Marnet T in the house. The all-arounder for Sinag Liga Asias. Manalang misfires. Delfino will try from the outside. Short for CJ. 0 for 2 na si Delfino from three-point line as Manalang try to flip it up from the baseline. Cunanan still scoreless and field goalless dito sa laro itong si John Del Boy as Rivadulya with the layup right there. Coach Jair Gomez asking for a foul. Nonetheless, 13 points pa rin ang hinahabol dito na Bayung Mexico. They get the first field goal. They get their first field goal, should I say. As Zita, once again, 9 points now for John Zita. .15 seconds to shoot for the men in white. Cunanan goes pick and roll. Beautiful execution right there from these two guys. Baliescas with a layup. Great dive galing dun kay Cunanan. That's why he's a prized point guard of this team. Tall, lanky, athletic, as point guard pa. But this guy is the pride of Pampanga when it comes to that department. Nga lang, he misses that layup. Talking about Delfino as Reonal gets stripped, but may foul. Sama daw braso, sabi ng ating referee. Manalang will be whistled for that foul. Already 3 minutes and 11 seconds na ubos sa ating 3rd period. That's beautiful pick and roll execution right there from Cunanan and Baliescas. Picture perfect as Aaron Santos comes back in. Cunanan will sit back down. Santos played really well in that first half. Played 8 minutes, had 3 points and 4 assists to his tally. Talking about Aaron Santos, but ito tumatakbo Manalang, 14 first half points. Oh, what a block from behind by Rivadulya. Great rejection from Rivadulya. Aldrin tracked that one down. Great defense right there by Aldrin Rivadulya. Bola pa rin ng Lubao. Delfino gives it to Singke. Back to Manalang. Mark in traffic. Gets fouled by Reonal. That'll be Bayung Mexico's 4th team foul of the quarter. So that could be the trend para din sa Bayung Mexico na 2nd and 3rd quarter. May chance na early penalty na naman sila dito. It's gonna be free throws para dito sa Level Up Lubao. Manalang. Swings it to CJ. Delfino up fake. Delfino fires. Overshoots that time. 0 for 3 na. Etong si CJ from the outside. An easy layup right there by Ezekiel Perez. As of course, nanonood ngayon ang taong responsable dito sa torneo natin na meron tayo. None other than the beloved Governor of Pampanga, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Gov, thank you so much po sa gantong tournament na binigay mo para sa kabataan. Thank you so much sa inyong suporta sa mga batang nangangarap dito sa Pampanga. Thank you so much po on behalf of Sinag Liga Asia for always supporting us. See you soon po. We cannot wait to see the Pampanga Delta defend their crown sa Sinag Liga Asia as Delfino. Kanina he got the block this time. He's whistled for the foul. Let's look at that layup again kanina. Ezekiel Perez. Took the lead down to 11, 44 to 33. But dito, he was fouled in his earlier drive by Delfino. He knocks down the first one. Coach J.R. Gomez still a look of concern. His team is still down by 10 points. Still 10. The free throw will continue for BAYUNG Mexico. But luckily for them, napulot pa rin nila yung free throw miss. At babalik sa free throw line. Ito si Ezekiel Perez. Foul is gonna be on Vincent Sinque. Kenji Gonzalez comes back into the ball game for Coach James De La Peña. Kenji played quality minutes in that first half. 11 minutes. Mambag na 5 puntos. Sumama pa ng 4 na rebound. And 1 block shot. Two for 2 that time. Or 1 out of 2 that time. Ito si Perez pa rin. But 9 points na lang ang kanilang hinahabol. 44 to 36. Correction, 8 points na lang kanilang hinahabol. As an offensive foul is whistled here on Manalang. So the drought continues for Level Up LUBAO. Is this the momentum change na inaabangan ng BAYUNG Mexico? Rivadulla attacking the baseline, swings it to Santos. Aaron drops it down low. And Baliescas with a finish. Beautiful play right there for Aaron Santos. That's his 5th assist of the ball game. Ginaganahan na ang bench and even some of the fans of BAYUNG Mexico. 6 na lang kanilang hinahabol. Kenji to Sinque. Behind the back pass, back to Gonzalez. There's a foul whistled there on Baliescas, a little bit too aggressive at his defense. That'll put BAYUNG Mexico over the limit. This will mean 2 free throws already for Mark Manalang. As Coach James De La Peña wants to shoot for time. Nababa ang kanilang kalamangan sa 6 na puntos, 44-38. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup. As pwede nyo pong tutukan ang lahat ng laro namin sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page. Live po lahat ng laro. And syempre, live watching the game right now dito, si Mayor Esmeralda Pineda of LUBAO, Pampanga. Enjoying the game, all smiles. Si Mayora. Dahil nga lamang pa rin ang kanyang koponan, pero 6 na puntos na lang. It was as high as 19 points kanina, 31 to 12. Itong BAYUNG Mexico, hindi pa nakakalamang since 3-0 ang ating score. From then on out, it was all Level Up LUBAO. Finally, some baskets and some points here from Mark Manalang from the free throw line. For Level Up LUBAO, 2 for 2 for Manalang. Now 16 points to his tally. Santos Playing floor general. Tried to swing it to Baliescas, but good hands for De La Cruz right now. Let's turn it over to MJ Raimundo for her report dahil nakausap niya kanina si Mayora Esmeralda Pineda. MJ, what do you have for us?
Thank you, Enzo. Isa nga sa mga tagahanga ng Team LUBAO na palaging nanonood at nakasuporta sa bawat laro ng LUBAO ay ang kanilang mayor na si Mayor Esmeralda Pineda. Tinanong ko nga itong si Mayora kung anong support ang binibigay niya sa mga players ng LUBAO. Moral support daw at basta wala siyang busy schedule, handa niyang suportahan ang team. Dagdag pa niya na i-enjoy lang daw ng mga players ang laro, focus at lumaban ng patas dahil hindi naman daw siya after sa winning. Kasi bilog daw ang bola. Ang mahalaga walang masaktan at tapusin nila ang game ng maayos. Back to you, Enzo.
Thank you so much, MJ, and great point from Mayor Esmeralda Pineda. Na yun nga, he's not up for winning. Mag-enjoy lang ang players and matapos nila ang laro ng maayos. Great advice from possibly the best support system you can have if you're playing for one of these municipalities or cities. Now, your mayor is in attendance, watching you, supporting you. And parang walang pressure. As a steal here by Rivadulia. And Rivadulia with a tapboard layup. Apat na lang ang inahabol ng Bayung Mexico. De La Cruz. Nearly turned it over. Danan almost throws it down. That was close. Rivadulia, the lob. Oh, sorry, miss right there. Para na kay Nakpil. But with the reverse, Baliescas cuts the lead down to 2. And the crowd is ballistic dito for Bayung Mexico. Manalang trying to stop the bleeding. De La Cruz from the outside knocks it down. And a kiss to the crowd. And that merited some boos from the Bayung Mexico faithful. Yung kiss niya to the crowd there. Some gamesmanship right here from the crowd and the players. Corner three-pointer is a miss. It's about to be a game, ladies and gentlemen. Nakadikit na itong Bayung Mexico. Manalang, try to split the defense. That's a lifting violation here, a discontinued dribble. As Manalang, some chippiness between Santos and Manalang right here. Manalang saying he got hit. As our referees signaling a review right here. So emotions are flaring at the 2-minute and 39-second mark of the ball game. So both teams are requested to go back to their benches dahil i-review ng referee. Ano nangyari? Manalang, from what was seen, naibangga niya itong si Aaron Santos, but he was saying na natuhod daw siya ni Santos, as our referees are going to check that sa IRS right now. Mark Manalang, who played superb in that first half, scored 14, pero ngayong start na second quarter, 2 points pa lang ang kanyang naaambag. Not the second half level up LUBAO was looking for. They are being outscored right now. 17-9 in this third period. The referee is still continuing to look at the IRS right now to see. Let's remind the people, Reden Llantos of Bayung Mexico no longer going to be back in this ball game for Coach JR Gomez, as he's on your screens dahil nga he had a bad fall kanina. He's taken to the hospital, of course, for health and safety purposes nga. It's Coach JR Gomez with a smile dahil nakita niya sa sarili niya sa LED board. A little bit of fun for the players habang chine-check out pa ng mga referees natin dito sa IRS yung nangyari between Santos, Aaron Santos of Bayung Mexico, and Mark Manalang of Level Up LUBAO. Oh! The Heartbreak Kid! Kid Estalilia. Of course, Angeles City Red Warriors are going to play next. The Heartbreak Kid on on your screens kanina. Now referees going to
After
the
the
officials
review,
table.
there's a double technical foul on number 22 of Team LUBAO and number 0 of BAYUNG, Mexico.
So double technical whistled on Aaron Santos and etong si Mark Manalang. Let's take a look at this, what happened right here. Yun yung lifting violation whistle kanina on Manalang. This is probably where the chippiness happened. Let's take a look at it right. Back to the ball games tayo. Rivadulla with the basketball. Down only by 5 points. Etong BAYUNG, Mexico. Oh, beautiful behind the back! Di nga lang pumasok for Perez. That was a sorry miss right there for Ezekiel Perez. Beautiful dime. Sana para kay Rivadulla, but it's not considered an assist if you don't make it. As the layup by Zita is a miss. There's a foul whistle there on John. Trying to reach in after the rebound, so this would mean 2 free throws para kay Perez. Dahil nga penalty na, parehong kupunan dito. Again, the 0 minutes for Level Up LUBAO na hindi naglalaro. Itong si CJ Delfino is crucial. As Perez, 1 for 2 in his 2 previous attempts sa free throw line. He knocks down the first one. Let's see if he can finally go 2 for 2 dito. 1 out of 2 pa rin. So 3 consecutive free throw trips for Ezekiel Perez. 1 out of 2 pareho. Or should I say, lahat ng tatlo, 1 out of 2. De La Cruz. They kick it to the corner. Near turnover. Sideline out of bounds for the men in blue. 7 seconds to work with on their shot clock. Zita, 6 seconds. Kenji from the outside, no go. And De La Cruz with a rebound and they say foul on the ground. Basket won't count, but dahil nga penalty, 2 free throws mabibigay dito kay Francis De La Cruz, who's been playing so well in this ball game. De La Cruz makes the first. Re-extends their lead to 5. One out of 2 as Danan trying to fight hard for that rebound. Ball will go back to BAYUNG, Mexico. 5-point lead in favor of LUBAO as Manuel Pangan comes back into the ball game. Oh, a near steal, and it is a completed steal. Good hands by Sean Lorico na ngayon palang nakapasok. The former Hustle Rising Sun player. As Lorico wanted a foul there. No whistle blown. Santos kicks it, Rivadulla. They swing it to the corner, back to Santos. Aaron attacks, Aaron. No good yung layup niya. There's a foul whistle. Foul ba ang minisan? Oh no, tapik lang daw out of bounds. Even the players thought it was a foul. Quick trigger three-pointer, no go. Lorico. Stop and go move, natapikan from behind. And here comes Baliescas. Baliescas, reverse layup. Too strong. Lorico with the long rebound. Pangan is fouled from behind. Aldrin Rivadulla, napituhan. Third personal foul for Aldrin. 2 free throws mabibigay dito kay Manuel Pangan. Let's see if he can make both free throws right now. In and out yung kanyang unang attempt. See if he can adjust and make the second one. Yes, he can. 1 out of 2. 6-point lead para sa Level Up LUBAO. Oh, quick attempt right there para sa Bayung Mexico. Sorry, miss for Rivadulla. Here's steal again. Ball will go, or will stay with Level Up LUBAO. Zita gives it to Lorico. Sean kicks it, three-pointer again. Too strong for Gonzalez, but andun si De La Cruz for the putback. And Zita taps the ball away. De La Cruz layup, too strong. Kanya pa rin yung rebound. Back-to-back offensive rebound and putback para dito kay Francis De La Cruz. As a ceasefire is whistled here for Coach J.R. Gomez. They gave up 2 consecutive offensive rebounds to Francis De La Cruz. And nabalik tuloy yung kalamangan sa 10 puntos. With 2 seconds remaining in this third period, all they want is to end with something positive dito sa third quarter, where they played most of this quarter so well na ibaba nga nila yung kalamangan to as low as 2. Pero ngayon, itong Level Up LUBAO, back up by 10 points without CJ Delfino on the floor. Let's take a look at that. Ito yung unang offensive rebound and putback ni Francis De La Cruz off the Gonzalez miss. And ito yung pangalawa, cleaning up his own miss naman this time. And that's why 10 puntos ulit ang kalamangan ng Level Up LUBAO, 55-45. Final 2 seconds of the third period. Santos to inbound. They toss it up to Nakpil. Back to Santos from half court. Off the mark at dyan magtatapos ang ating third period. Level Up LUBAO weathering the Bayung Mexico storm. Naibalik nila sa 10 puntos ang kalamangan, as we can see some third quarter highlights right here. This was the beautiful pick and roll play galing kay Cunanan and kay Baliescas. But John Zita with that beautiful fadeaway jumper. Itong si Aldrin Rivadulla really was a spark plug coming off the bench. But etong si Francis De La Cruz knocking down the 3 and those 2 putbacks. Kaya nga lamang ulit ng 10 puntos. Etong Level Up LUBAO, 55-45, entering the 4th and final quarter of game number 3 of this Saturday quintuple header dito lang sa 2024 Delta Cup. Mga kasinag, the SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send a letter of intent at sinagasiasports@gmail.com or send a message to our Facebook page at Sinag Liga Asia. You have what it takes to perform in front of the big crowds, and habang nakatutok ang buong mundo, if you think you have what it takes, sama na po kayo sa Junior World Showcase. Makita natin ang ating mga Kabalen fans dito sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Watching right now, kanilang mga sinusuporta ang teams. Of course, hindi lang po ang Junior World Showcase dito sa Luzon magsisimula, kasi magsisimula na rin ang Sinag Liga Asia goes to Visayas and Mindanao. Ang 17 under and 19 under tournaments natin magsisimula na po dyan sa Visayas and Mindanao areas. And of course, Season 2 of Sinag Lakas 40 is also coming this March. And syempre, ang napakabagong Sinag Liga Asia Kalibre 45 tournament magsisimula na rin. But dito tayo sa Delta Cup, as 10 puntos pa rin ang kalamangan nitong Level Up LUBAO. Lorico kicks it out. Gonzalez, three-pointer. Knocks it down! Second three for Kenji Gonzalez. And a steal right here for LUBAO. Pangan layup. Too strong. And a foul is whistled on Sean Lorico. Again, itong level of LUBAO doing this or getting back this lead to double figures without Delfino and Mark Manalang. Let's take a look at this booming triple galing dito kay Kenji Gonzalez. And you can see the emotions from Kenji right there. Finally hit his second one. As a wild layup right there by Reonal. That's the 9th rebound of the game para dito kay De La Cruz. Nearing a double-double na, 13 points and 9 rebounds ito si De La Cruz. Lorico gives it to Kenji. Back to Sean. They give it to Francis. De La Cruz kicks it. Kenji back-to-back. Yes, sir! For Kenji Gonzalez. And threes to the skies for Kenji Gonzalez after knocking down his third triple of the game. Baluyot kicks it to Cunanan, who's still scoreless in this ball game. And another steal for LUBAO. De La Cruz drops it off, and Lorico with an easy layup. What a start for level up LUBAO right here. They have now exploded again. Credit this three-pointer by Kenji Gonzalez, his second of the ball game, and then De La Cruz with a drop-off to Sean Lorico for the easy 2 points right there. Balik sa 18 ang kanilang kalamangan, 63-45. Ngayon pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup, the Inter-Municipalities and Cities Tournament. Powered by the provincial government of Pampanga through Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. A great out-of-timeout play right there for BAYUNG Mexico, leading to a Baliescas alley-oop play. They have a lot of time pa dito to catch up. Bumawi naman ang tic-tac-toe play. Etong level up LUBAO. Manuel Pangan with the basket right there. Perez spins. Perez fires. Couldn't score, and that's a double-double now for Gonzalez. For De La Cruz, should I say. Oh, a block there by Gonzalez. And Kenji with a small flex there. Good defense from Kenji Gonzalez. Take a look at this beautiful pass to Manuel Pangan. Great dime from De La Cruz. Itong si Francis De La Cruz now with a double-double, 13 points and 10 rebounds. Lorico, former Hustle rising sun, gives it to Kenji. De La Cruz wants the basketball. He wants a screen, rejects it. Drops it off. Lorico, the kick. Zita, extra pass. Gonzalez, three-pointer. Knocks it down. Pangatlong tres of this quarter for Kenji Gonzalez. Look at the strip there by Lorico. But sabi ng referee natin, may foul ang kanyang sundot doon. There's now a 21-point lead for level up LUBAO in a blink of an eye. 68-47. There's a steal pa dito si Gonzalez. Kenji on a 2-on-1, and Lorico will be given another gift of an easy 2 points there. Credit Kenji Gonzalez with a dime this time. And another near steal. It is a near steal. And duty foul ang give up doon ni Aaron Santos. BAYUNG Mexico with consecutive turnovers there. What a way to start this fourth period for Level up Lubao. Beautiful dime right there by Kenji Gonzalez to Sean Lorico. 6 minutes and 43 natitira sa ating laro. Lorico against Meneses. Argel hounding him now. And a steal by Baliescas. Tumingin pa sa rear view before he shot that layup. De La Cruz on a 2-on-2. Gets by Perez and De La Cruz with a smooth layup right there. 15 points now for Francis De La Cruz. Argel with a counter on the other end, but Bayung Mexico needs stops. They cannot afford to trade baskets right now. Lorico drops it off De La Cruz. Beautiful up fake. 17 points now for De La Cruz. Behind the sky play does not work for Reynal, but Baliescas bitin din yung kanyang putback. Sean Lorico wisely using some clock now. We're at the midway point of the fourth period. Has a whistle right now. Technical. Double text ang nakita ko. I believe it's Zita and Reynal na napito ng double technical.
Double technical. Number 24. And number
It's a
53.
double technical on John Zita. You can see Reynal right there. Trooping back to the bench. There's some confusion right here. Table officials just trying to clarify something. Medyo nagkagulo lang ng konti with regards to who got the earlier technical. Zita, that's just his first technical foul. .15 seconds on the shot clock for Level Up Lubao, who has ballooned this lead now to the biggest of the ball game at 23 points. At binalik pa si Delfino at Manalang on the floor for the finishing touches. Zita spins. Zita is fouled. Rivadulia ang napituhan. Itong si John Zita, after getting a technical, made a beautiful spin move, and he'll troop to the line for 2 free throws right now. Let's see if he can make both. Possibly balloon this lead further, because it's 23-point lead right now. Zita knocks down the first one. Second free throw in and out. Nonetheless, 24-point lead para din sa Level Up Lubao. Oh, good move right there by Ezequiel Perez. Delfino bringing the ball down. CJ baits Meneses to that foul. Smart play by the Tasmanian Devil. Babalik ito si Kevin Montemayor, replacing St. Francis De La Cruz, who played well. Double-double performance now for him. Delfino wants a clear out. CJ looking to dance with Meneses. Delfino draws a foul. That can happen when CJ Delfino gets a clear out. Either he goes for showtime moves or he draws a foul. The latter happened that time. 2 free throws will be given to Charles Jacob. He knocks down the first 4 out of 4. Perfect on the free throw line. It was CJ Delfino. Let's take a look at this move right there. Meneses with the foul. 5 out of 5 for Delfino from the free throw line. 2 out of 2 that time. And we can see Mayor Esmeralda Pineda with a smile on her face. Easy 2 points there on the counter. It was Ezequiel Perez. Manalang hands it off to Delfino. CJ against Argel. And he'll just waste away some time here. So para hindi na mahirapang makabalik ang Bayung Mexico. Delfino going to dance with Meneses. CJ gets away. CJ! Quick trigger layup is a miss, and he found it funny dun sa layup na yun. And again, they give it back to one of the best one-on-one players in the entire province of Pampanga. To waste away some precious seconds. They have 9 seconds on their shot clock. Delfino works the pick and pop. Pangan spins. Gives it to Manalang. 1 second. Jumper. Gets it to drop. 18 points now para dito kay Mark Manalang. 79 to 55. 3 minutes and 37 seconds natitira sa ating laro. Argel, good up fake. Argel with the layup right there. Again, Bayung Mexico, they're getting some baskets, but they're not getting stops. They need multiple stops right now as they're down by 22 points and time is not on their side. 3 minutes and 17 na lang natitira. Manalang, one-legged jumper. No good, but the clock was again at 2 seconds. Baluyot kicks it. Baliescas hanging in midair. Coach James De La Peña with a quick timeout dahil nagkaroon ng 4-0 mini run itong Bayung Mexico to cut the lead down to 20. 2 minutes and 58 seconds natitira sa ating laros. Let's take a look at this beautiful hang time layup galing kay Luis Baliescas right there. It's a 20-point lead para sa Level Up LUBAO, 79 to 59. Maripoy nakatutok sa 2024 Delta Cup. 2 minutes and 58 na lang natitira dito sa ating laro as we can see Francis De La Cruz, 15 points, 10 rebounds, 3 assists. A beautiful performance from Francis De La Cruz ngayong hapon, especially in the second half kung saan siya ngayon bakit ganito nakalaki ang kanilang kalamangan. It was as low as 2 points no third quarter, but in that same quarter, he led that storm. At in the fourth quarter naman, si Kenji Gonzalez sinamahan itong si Francis De La Cruz. So we're staring at a 20-point lead with 2 minutes and 54 for Level Up LUBAO. On their way to another victory dito and so far breaking this virtual tie with I Love San Simon. 4-3 sila pareho. A victory for Level Up LUBAO gets them closer to the top 4. And top 4 coming into the quarterfinals round will get a twice-to-beat advantage. Delfino with his first missed free throw. 5 out of 6 na. Ito si Charles Jacob. For 2 this time is CJ Delfino. Who's just shaking his head right after. Even he was surprised. Baluyot. Dangerous pass, but it got to Rional naman. They try to go eye in the sky, but great defense by Mariano. Prevent what could have been an easy 2 points. Para dito sa panig ng Bayung Mexico. Garing drops it off. Off the glass shot is no good. Para dito kay Mangalos. See the coaching staff of Bayung Mexico, of course, Coach J.R. Gomez. Emptying his bench, pinasok na niya itong si Calvin Pinpin. Baluyot, spins, layup, no go. Eto, oh, di nakita. Nasa kanya pala papunta ang pasa kay Matthew Manansalan. As Manansalan, Manalansan with the layup right there. And another steal. Manalansan with a steal. He'll attack the basket and will be fouled. We enter the last 2 minutes of this ball game. Good drive right here by Matthew Manalansan. He was stripped going to the basket at dahil penalty na nga. Free throws ang mabibigay sa kanya. He misses that first one. One out of two for Matthew on the free throw trip. With a minute and 39 remaining, 82-59 is our score. This will be safe to say na final score lang inaantay natin. What a masterful performance right here for Level Up LUBAO. Especially that midway through the third period and also the start of the fourth. Dun sila nag-init, especially Kenji Gonzalez and Francis de la Cruz. Manalansan with a miss. Matakbo si Baluyot. Tried to drop it off pa to Garing but ends up in a turnover. Montemayor gives it to Lorico. Sean will just waste away some time right here. 52 seconds na lang natitira Montemayor. Try to put the icing on the cake there. Garing gets stripped by Lorico. May counter steal ito si Reonal. Ivan tried to throw it down, couldn't get the dunk cleanly. Still 2 points nonetheless for Ivan Reonal. Lorico shakes hands with his opponents. They will just wait for the time to expire and wave the white flag na dito. Sean tried to prevent a turnover dun. And a block pa for Pinpin. That's gonna be the last layup for Alvin Mangalos, and that'll do it. Level Up LUBAO with a big victory right here against the number 3 seeded BAYUNG Mexico. They will, as of now, break this virtual tie with I Love San Simon. They will improve to 5-3 sa ating team standings, inching closer to the twice-to-beat advantage. Before we go to the playoffs dito sa 2024 Delta Cup, what a dominant victory dito. They win this game by 19 points, 82-63. A total team effort para dito sa Level Up LUBAO. And po ang ating final score, 82-63, a 19-point victory para dito sa Level Up LUBAO. Mag-i-improve po ang kanilang record to 5-3 sa bracket A, at makikita natin na they break this virtual tie with I Love San Simon sa ating team standings. At ngayon kasama ko na ang ating best player of the game. Walang iba kundi si Francis de la Cruz of Level Up LUBAO with a double-double performance of 17 points, 11 rebounds. Samahan pa natin ng 3 assists. Congratulations. Nung third quarter, dumikit yung laro ninyo. Naging 2 points na lang kalamangan nyo. Anong nangyari dun sa huddle ninyo? Kasi parang pagkatapos nagising at ikaw talaga yung nag-lead ng charge para lumamang ulit kayo ng malaki.
Actually, nung first half po, pagkasa po kasi ako nun. Tapos, yung third quarter po, naisip ko po kung mag-step up po ako, mag-step up din po yung mga kasama ko. At saka po si Goldsberg, i-tubukan. Sabihan po. Well, dumipensa talaga.
Ang ganda nga ng performance, yung depensa mo, tsaka yung mga offensive rebound mo. Pero Francis, doon, dito sa panalong yung ito, 5-3 na kayo, makakaangat kayo ng bahagya against San Simon kasi tied kayo kanina at 4-2. Malapit nyo nang makuha yung top 4 na may twice to beat. Gaano ba ka-importante yung twice to beat advantage para sa inyo papasok sa playoffs?
Preparation din, para po preparation sa ano. Prepare po na mag-cross po.
Well, ngayon, bibigyan na kita ng chance ngayon na magbigay ng shoutout or mga greeting mo sa mga sumusuporta sa'yo, lalong-lalo na andito si Mayor Esmeralda Pineda na nanonood sa inyo.
Nagpapasalamat po ako Mayor Esme at Vice Mayor Jay Montemerari, Coach Bert po, Boss Marty, Coach Melton sa walang suporta mo, tsaka sa LUBAO po.
Sean Lorico nagagalit. Herbert, syempre, congratulations once again. That is Francis De La Cruz, our best player of the game. 17 points and 11 rebounds and 3 assists. And a win for Level Up LUBAO, 82-63. Aangat nga po sila sa team standings at 5-3 dito. But mga kabalin, yan po ang ating third game. Pero may fourth and fifth game pa tayo. And coming up next, it's the battle between the Angeles City Red Warriors and Mabalacat City MCG Care. Susunod na po yan. But dyan po magtatapos ang ating third game for MJ Raimundo. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa. And on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Danan, Direk Billy De Leon, Direk Yetro, Roa, and the rest of the hard-working men and women na nagtrabaho dito from the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. This has been your 2024 Delta Cup season, mga kabalin. Peace!